Welcome to today's class. My name is Kwame Kingsley. Today we'll be treating the Home tab. In our previous class, we've dealt with the File tab. Next is the Home tab. We have groups that make up the Home tab, which are the clipboard, the fonts, paragraph, styles, and editing. Now let's start by opening a document. Right, let me use the appropriate way. Open this Nigeria history. So here we are. I want us to treat is what we call highlights. How to highlight a text or a paragraph. Though I've treated that in my previous class, but for the benefit of those that have not watched that video, if you want to highlight a word, you move your cursor or your eye beam to that word, then double click. This is what we call highlighting. When you triple click, it highlights the entire paragraphs of that word. Triple click, double click, double click, double click. So let's move. Now, there are many ways of which I can highlight. You can place your insertion pointer here, hold down your shift key, and then use your arrow key to the right to highlight. This is to the right, and this is down. The arrow down key. This is up, and this is left. Highlight also from here. Hold down my shift key. Hold down my shift key. Then to the left, up, down, and right. So right now, what we just want to do is simple copy and paste. Let's see how we copy and paste. First of all, let me use the return key. I tap on my return key. The return key is what you call the enter key. Tap on it. I want to highlight this early civilization and kingdoms. Triple click. The moment I triple click, I can now copy. I've copied it. I can now paste. This is my paste. I've pasted. Now it is already on the clipboard. I can still paste. I can still paste. I can still paste as much as I want. Now, if I don't need them, I can undo. This is the undo. You click, take you back to the previous section. Undo, undo. I can redo and redo. That is copy and paste. Let's undo again. Undo and duplicate this way. I can paste. That is copy and paste. Let's delete. Why cut? It cuts it. It takes it off entirely. Then it can be taken to another position with the paste. You can still paste. Let's undo. So that is for the copy, cut, and paste. Copy, cut, and paste. This is what we call the dialog box launcher. The dialog box launcher. Let's move on to the next one. On the Home tab, we have the fonts on the groups. On the fonts, we have the font size. This is the font size. We have the font type. Or theme. So now, if I want to change the font, I want to change the font style, face, or theme. I will highlight this way, come down here. I can change the font this way. I can use this. So this is how it works. I've successfully changed the font. Next,